guys!
So what do we have here, guys?
We have a present for my soft serve.
Hey,
My
it's-
anniversary. I'm not even sure how many years, maybe 9.
What,
Because
you're
9
9?
years I've been working for soft serve. 9 or 10.
9 years? Wait, for the future, okay. So it must be somewhere from the future. Daniela, can you read it, please? What it says here?
For your future.
For your future. Oh my
How
gosh.
about here?
Hello, I know you've been waiting for me. Thank you for being with soft serve. Förtera oss tyngre and cornetary
Beauty.
beauty.
Contributing
Soft serve
to
to our common
Common success.
success.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Yay, okay, I can't wait any longer.
Okay, open up. Happy anniversary. Luba, what do you think is inside in the box? Luba, what do you think is inside in the box? Happy birthday balloons? It might be. Soft serve can do this stuff.
It's big, but it's really light. So not sure what
I think it's stickers this time.
Come on. Don't be so negative.
Oh.
You guessed. No, wait.
Wait. Oh my gosh, we need a backpack so much. The new backpack.
Wow, it's so
Oh my
cool.
goodness, our old backpack is so apart. The black one. Can you show us the label?
Oh my God. Look.
Oh my goodness, like
So
the best backpack
stylish.
ever. How did they know we need a backpack? We got stickers too, that's what I told you guys. Look at this inside.
Is it just a backpack or is it the one for your laptop?
Doesn't matter, we don't
Doesn't
carry a
matter,
laptop
it's
around.
super cool.
Can you lift it up and turn around? Whoa!
That's really cool. That's the best.
Soft serve is the best. East or west, soft serve is the best.
Mom, look, these are stickers.
And stickers, Daddy guessed! Yay!
Kids got stickers, totally happy. If you wanna make kids happy, give them what?
Stickers!
If you wanna make mommy happy, give
Your
her
backpack.
backpack back.
Wow.
And Sophia, Luba, you like your present?
Oh,
Luba,
this is great. This is honestly like
it's like the best present ever because we were looking for the backpack and our old soft
I've
serve.
actually been searching online for a good backpack.
Totally. And it's so difficult, it's so uneasy to find a backpack.
Can I get back to watching?
No, baby, it's over.
Oh,
But I just started watching.
Wait, it's still your back part is falling apart. Okay, now you're ready. It's kind of weird you wearing a backpack because you work so much
From home?
remote.
it's
Where do you
okay.
go? In the mountains?
Yes. I'm gonna
The
go
bear went
hiking.
over the mountains. Mommy went over the mountains. Mommy went over the
okay.
mountains.
We're done.
You go.
Thank
You go.
you.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. I'll go.
Daniela, do you want to try the backpack?
Yeah.
Now, can I take a picture so that I can hashtag them and say thank you?
And it is black. It's like totally fashionable. No colors except orange inside.
Okay. Alright. Bye guys, bye. Thank you for watching.
Daniela, do you want to say a few words?
Why did Mama wear my elastic bag? band what he gave her.
Mm.
Putting it on right now.
Luba, what do you have?
Look at it.
You have a sticker. What kind of sticker do you have?
Look, I have another sticker.
It looks like a balloon,
I want this one. Can
balloon
I have
bunny.
it? I want this one. I want this
What
one.
is it?
Happy anniversary. I'm gonna stick it on my forehead.
My oh my, that's insane. That's
She put
the
it
end.
on her forehead.
Okay, Daniela, say bye bye to everyone.